everyone, I'm Dr. Janika. I hope you all liked my previous video, and in this particular video I'm going to talk about Datun versus toothbrush. But first of all, thank you so much for the people who has already liked and viewed my previous video. Thank you so much for giving your honest reviews. So let's start. Datun is a basic traditional toothbrush that has been widely used by our ancestors 150 years ago. But now we are using plastic toothbrush. Datun has a lot of benefits, but at the same time it has a lot of disadvantages, because of which it has become less popular in recent times. Datun is a plant part which is derived from natural tree or medicinal tree that can be chewed on one side, and one spray can be used as a brush to clean their teeth and gum tissue. Datun is also called as miswak, siwak, miswaki, datun, neem datun or chewing stick according to the places where it is found or according to the trees or plant part from where it is derived. It is also called as miswaki or miswak in Tanzania and Ethiopia, but it is called as datun or neem datun, especially in India and Pakistan. Datun has a lot of benefits. It has immense amount of uses. It can fight your harmful bacteria. It can reduce the bacterial flow in the mouth by 50%. It gives you refreshing aftertaste. It can mechanically remove all the plaque accumulation or yellowish deposition you have on your tooth surface. Miswaki or miswak can be derived from the roots of arak tree. Fun facts, arak tree is also called as toothbrush tree. What makes datun so advantageous that people were using in previous times and they are still using in rural areas and urban areas, people are still considerate about using datun. So these are the advantages. It reduces or get rid of bad breath. It can protect your teeth and gums from bacterial action. It is antifungal, antimicrobial and antibacterial. It is inexpensive, it is easily available and accessible to all the people. It has lots of mechanical, medicinal and religious reasons that people are still using it. It is helpful in removing all the plaque accumulation you have on your teeth surface, and it is amazing to use to reduce all the bacterial flow you have in your mouth. Datun is a very good jaw exerciser which helps you to induce salivary production, and in return saliva can clean all your mouth naturally. It is a natural cleanser. Plus, you don't need any toothpaste to get all the essential oils, fluoride ions or all the components you have in your toothpaste that are naturally available in your datun or miswak. So you can get all the natural benefits from chewing sticks just by getting it. You don't have to use all the toothpaste or all the fluoride ions that are available in your toothpaste. So, we all have heard about advantages of datun or miswak, but let me tell you, it has a lot of disadvantages also, which is why it has become less popular in modern and recent times. Datun has some bristles which can penetrate your gum tissue and inflame it to irreversible changes, and it can cause some discomfort and damage which are irreversible, and then you will have lots of gum diseases and tooth mobility or tooth loss also. So PDL or periodontal diseases are directly proportional to your miswak or datun use. Fourth point is, patients with already inflamed gums or gum tissues cannot use datun or miswak or chewing stick because it will further damage their gum tissue, and it will form or it will cause a lot of gum diseases and tooth removal or tooth mobility and further tooth loss. The fifth point is, if applied a lot of pressure, datun or chewing stick can damage your protective layer or your outermost layer of the tooth, that is enamel, in a very irreversible way, and it can damage it, and it can cause exposure of your dentine or inner layer, which can cause sensitivity. And on the other hand, toothbrush has a lot of advantages that are compensated for the disadvantages of your chewing stick. Bristles of the toothbrush are placed at right angle of the stick, which is why toothbrush is easily accessible to lingual or inside surfaces or your interdental surfaces, so that you can clean or you can have proper oral hygiene. Plastic toothbrush has softer bristles which are very good for your gum tissues. In a plastic toothbrush, it cannot penetrate the gum tissue, it cannot irritate or inflame your already inflamed gum tissue to a level where your chewing stick can inflame them. And it has bristles at right angle of your stick, and it can go to your lingual and inside surfaces for proper cleaning of your oral hygiene. This is the reason why we have evolved from chewing stick or miswak to our plastic toothbrush in recent times. So these were all the points regarding Datun or toothbrush. I hope this video was useful to you and I hope you all liked it. If you have any doubt or if you want to ask me another question, you can comment me below or you can contact me on Instagram or WhatsApp. I'll give you the link below. Thank you so much for listening to me for such a long time. I hope you all have understood this, and if you want me to add some more points, you can comment or you can tell me directly also. Thank you so much. I hope you all will see this. I hope you all liked this video and thank you so much for staying by. Thank you. Namaste. I'll see you in my next video.